Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see how to make Bharwa Baigan or stuffed eggplant, which will be very delicious and flavorful. So friends, let's get started with the recipe. So for this recipe, I have taken here 5 medium-sized eggplants which has been washed, and now I'm going to make cuts in them into segments just before the stem portion of the eggplant so that we can stuff them with the spice mix or masala. I'll cut and show one more eggplant. So in this way we need to cut them. And now we'll prepare the masala for the stuffing. For that, heat a pan and into it goes 2 tablespoons of gram flour or besan. And on medium flame we need to roast the gram flour till they turn golden brown and aromatic. And by now the gram flour is roasted well, so we'll turn off the flame. And now into this roasted gram flour we'll be adding some spices like half teaspoon of salt or as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of hearty or turmeric powder. Then goes half teaspoon of Dhaniya or Coriander powder, half teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon of coarse fennel or soft powder, and half teaspoon of chaat masala powder. Now mix all the spices well so that they are well combined with the gram flour mix. Also, I'm going to add few drops of oil so that the spice mix bind well. Mix this well. Next, I'm adding here 1 small bowl of grated processed cheese, as cheese enhances the flavor when added to anything, but adding cheese is optional. Mix this well. I'll add now little water to make the spice mix moist. Add water as required to bind the stuffing. And our spice mix or masala for the stuffing is ready now. Next, we need to stuff all the eggplants or baigan with the prepared spice mix or masala. Generously stuff the baigan with the masala. So in this way we need to stuff them. And I have finished stuffing all the eggplants or baigan, and now we need to fry them. For that, heat a kadhai and into it we'll add sufficient oil to fry the eggplants or baigan. And when the oil is hot, we'll add the stuffed eggplants one by one into the oil. And on medium flame we need to fry the eggplants by flipping them in between so that they are fried well from all the sides. And by now the eggplants are soft and well fried, so I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. And now we shall start making the gravy. In the same karahi I will add 2 bay leaves and few cumin seeds or sabut jeera. Let the cumin seeds crackle. Then goes 1 large onion which has been finely chopped. And on medium flame we will saute the onions until they turn golden brown. Next goes 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry the ginger garlic paste well until the raw taste goes away. Next goes 1 large tomato which has been finely chopped, and we will saute them for just 1 to 2 minutes. Time to add some spices now. Here goes some salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander or dhaniya powder, 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, and 1 teaspoon of Kashmir red chili powder. Now saute all the spices well along with the tomatoes, onion, ginger garlic paste. Keep the flame on medium. And now we'll cover and let this cook on medium flame for about 5 to 6 minutes. It's 6 minutes now. Let's check this once. So the tomatoes have become soft and mushy, and oil has also separated from the spice mix. And at this stage, I'm going to add some beaten curd or dahi, say around 1.5 tablespoons. And on low flame, we will mix this well so that the curd or dahi combines well with the spice mix. I'll add now some water to rinse off the bowl from where I had poured the curd, and a pinch of sugar to balance the tangy taste of curd and tomato. Mix this well. And now time to add the stuffed and fried Bharwa Baigan or eggplants into the gravy. And we'll cover and let this cook on medium flame for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the lid and very gently we will flip the eggplants so that they are well coated with the gravy and thereby absorb all its flavors. So now we will let the eggplant simmer in the gravy for another 2 to 3 minutes. And before turning off the flame, I will add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Gently mix this once. And finally goes some chopped coriander leaves. That's it. Our stuffed eggplant is now ready to be served hot. So for serving, first I will layer the plate with some spicy and flavorful gravy to form the base. Next, I will add some grated cheese on top, which will enhance the flavor of the gravy even more. And trust me, this is going to be so delicious that everybody is going to love it. And on top of the gravy and cheese goes our yummy stuffed eggplants or Bharwa Baigan. And garnish with some more chopped coriander leaves. Here it goes. So friends, do try this delicious Bharwa Baigan or stuffed eggplant recipe. Also share your feedbacks and do subscribe my channel for more such interesting and yummy recipes. See you soon. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.